Have you guys noticed that every single action of the salah, every single action of the salah, in each rak'ah we do it once except sujud. Sujud is done twice in each rak'ah. Have you ever asked yourself why? This is the answer I found. Listen to this. That sujud, it's when you're the closest to Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. Allah loves His slave to be close to Him. Therefore Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala granted you two opportunities to be close to Him. Sujud is when the Prophet ﷺ told us what we should do in it, which is to ask Allah to increase our dua in it. Allah loves that you ask Him. Therefore Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala in the first sajdah, He gave you the opportunity to ask Him. You got up from that sujud, you sat in between the two sujuds. Then you might have thought of other things to ask Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala, certain things that you forgot because your nature as human beings that you forget, you're forgetful. You go back to sujood, you ask Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. Allah says, ask me, I'll give it to you. You know, Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala, when you do not ask Him, Allah becomes angry with you. Do you guys know that? When I don't make dua, Allah becomes angry with me. The Prophet ﷺ tells us that in hadith. But the exact opposite is implied. The more I ask Allah, the more happy Allah will be with me, the more Allah will love me.